In this tutorial, we'll explore some handy tips inside new chat that make working with QAnswer even smoother. We'll look at how to edit your prompt, regenerate responses, start a new chat, and export your chat. Let us begin with the question. Write an email to Gabriel asking him for the budget of the AI project. And here is your email. Now say you want to tweak your initial prompt, maybe fix a typo or add more details. Just click the edit icon and make your changes. For example, and also ask for his availability today at 3 p.m. And QAnswer instantly updates your response. Next is the regenerate answer. If the answer doesn't quite fit your need, click regenerate to get an alternative version. Just remember to copy anything you liked from the current response before regenerating so you don't lose it. You can do it as many times as you like until it feels right. Then there's new chat, perfect for starting a fresh conversation or topic. For example, write an email to Clara asking her for the event budget for the year 2026. And here is your response. Finally, click Export Conversation if you want to download your entire chat history. Great for saving records, reviews, or sharing insights with your team. This is it for this video. We'll go over a new use case in the next video. See you!